Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you connect earphone to your Vivo phone guys. You want to connect this earphone to your phone guys. So guys, you can connect, and guys now let's see how to connect it in Vivo phone, this earphone guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to connect this earphone guys, and guys click on guys Bluetooth and devices. Guys, you can see this Bluetooth and devices. Guys, click here, and guys click on your Bluetooth, and guys on your Bluetooth from this right side, and guys click, and guys on your earphones by this set guys, this between button guys, and guys this button guys, volume button guys, the both are guys volume button, and guys we can on and off this power button guys. So we will on it, where you can see guys this light, then it will on in our. And guys now guys click on new device, and guys refresh it. After that guys, you can see guys this earphone name. So guys, you what will you have to do guys, you will have to just only click, then guys it will connect in your phone automatic guys. Now let's see guys after 5 and 6 seconds guys. So you can see guys we have connected, and guys you want to check your Bluetooth, right, this earphone, Bluetooth earphone battery. So guys you can check from guys 80% guys, you can check your Bluetooth percent battery guys also. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.